sign. No, we weren't kidding about the dumpster. This is the little one. This is the little dumpster. Look. It's a very tall gnome. He's been potting. Because I'm parking at the church.
Hey, wanna buy some trees?
Trees! Oh, some duck eggs!
Wanna buy some duck eggs?
How many can I get for a semi-load?
Yeah, fresh duck eggs.
How many can I get for a semi-load?
A semi-load? That may take a while.
There's a lot of ducks.
And
Oh,
we got them for
summer.
$7 a dozen, or 2.5 dozen for $15. It's 50 cents an egg.
That's not bad.
And they're bigger than large chicken eggs.
They're
Yeah, more
ducky.
nutritious too. Better for baking, better for omelets, just better all around. Did I mention they're bigger? They're bigger. They're a lot bigger.
Duckiness paid off.
Huh?
Duckiness paid off. I'm gonna go park now.
Bye.
I'll be right back. Let's see. There's some greenery starting. Greenery. Daylilies. They've been so trampled on. The neighbor. Oh, now they have to park in Mom's driveway. That's funny. I don't think I'll fit with that. Darn. Guess what we're putting in the dumpster? Oh no, he's gonna put all my stuff in the dumpster. We're too late. Sorry about the wind. Okay, so I saw the dumpster. Yeah, that's a wreck from last year, but whatever. Even busier than a dwarf kicking a butt in a short leg contest. I don't know if you can see the fencing. It's corn patch, corn patch, corn patch, random tree, duck pond, whatever. They're all the way to where he's already dug, and still he needs to dig some more. So he's been doing that. Do you see where's the egg? And of course, they randomly laid an egg. Yeah.